to create the first ever Cybertruck RC line. We have this available in two different scales. We have the smaller 1/64 scale, and then the big guy here at the 110 scale. This is a hobby-grade RC. It moves up to 25 miles per hour in two different modes. There's chill mode and sport mode. It has full suspension. The headlights and tail lights will light up. Fully designed interior, manually operated tonneau cover, and retractable tailgate. And if you remember that iconic moment from the Tesla press conference, you can use these removable vinyl stickers to add that vinyl crackness to the windows. Or not, up to you. In addition to the small guy here is an RC 1/64 scale car. They can be worked on and off the tracks. So if you have those classic Hot Wheels tracks, you can race them onto the ramp and around in all the loops and circles and all the things that are associated with the classic Hot Wheels cars.